Choosing the right car battery charger might feel like a challenge with so many options available. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for to keep your car's battery in great shape for years to come. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your battery type. The first thing you need to do is identify your vehicle's battery type. This is important because not all chargers work the same way with different battery types. Here are the main ones you'll find. Lead-acid batteries, the traditional type, found in many older cars. AGM batteries, often used in newer models, especially those with start-stop systems. These are more powerful and efficient. Gel batteries. These are great in extreme temperatures and can handle freezing cold much better than others. Understanding which type of battery you have helps you pick the charger that matches, ensuring your battery stays in top shape. Step 2. Amperage. How fast do you need it? Now, let's talk about amperage. This is the power the charger uses to charge the battery. A higher amperage means faster charging, but that's not always the best option. If you have a sensitive battery like AGM or gel, using a charger with too much amperage could actually damage the battery. Here's the sweet spot. Low amperage chargers, ideal for slow, steady maintenance, especially if your car is parked for a while and doesn't get used often. High amperage chargers, perfect in an emergency when you need a quick boost, but you need to keep an eye on it to avoid overcharging. Step 3. Smart versus standard chargers. This is where things get interesting. You've got smart chargers and standard chargers, and trust me, smart chargers are worth the extra investment. Smart chargers. These are the game changers. They automatically adjust the charging rate to match your battery's needs. When the battery's full, they turn off. No need for you to babysit it. Many even have features like auto diagnostics or reverse polarity protection to keep things safe. Standard chargers. More hands-on and typically cheaper. But you'll need to keep an eye on them to make sure you don't overcharge your battery. If you want peace of mind and convenience, go for a smart charger. But if you're on a budget, a standard charger can still get the job done, as long as you're careful. Step 4. Safety features. Don't skimp on protection. Safety is absolutely crucial when it comes to battery chargers. Here's what you should look for. Overcharge protection. This feature stops the charger once the battery is fully charged, protecting your battery from damage. Reverse polarity detection. If you accidentally hook the charger up wrong, this will prevent sparks and damage to the battery. Temperature sensors. These are perfect for preventing overheating, especially if you live in a hot climate. If the temperature gets too high, the charger will adjust the charge rate to keep things safe. Step 5. Extra features to think about. Now that you've covered the basics, let's talk about a few extra features that could make your life easier. Portability. If you plan on moving the charger between cars, look for one that's lightweight and easy to carry. Weatherproofing. Need to charge your car outdoors? Make sure your charger can handle the elements, especially if you live in an area with extreme weather. Multi-vehicle compatibility. Some chargers work with multiple types of batteries, so if you've got more than one vehicle, this can save you some hassle. Step 6. Price versus value. Is it worth the investment? Let's talk about the price. Sure, premium chargers cost more upfront, but they often have better safety features, smart capabilities, and longer lifespans. So in the long run, they're a smart investment because they help extend the life of your vehicle's battery and save you money down the road. But if you're on a tight budget, a standard charger can still do the job. Just be sure to monitor it closely.